This is Dr. Paul Azar. We're administering a COVID-19 test. As you see, we did a finger stick first to have a blood sample, and it's not a painful thing to do. We get the blood out in a little pipette, and we put it on the test strips. Okay, and we'll get enough to fill up the test strips, and I'll come around and show you the test strips. Okay, and these test strips will be testing for IgM and IgG gamma globulin. And by the color of the test, by putting the reagent on, we will know whether it's positive or negative. That's how simple it is. So the blood is drawn, we're putting the reagent in there to see if it's positive or negative. And in just a few minutes, we will see the results of the test as it changes. Okay.
There you go, starting to bleed through. It changes.
Okay. And what do we see there on
Nothing on the M. And then to know that the test was completed correctly, that top, I guess it's your balance or whatever, it's going to change to red, and that lets you know that the test was completed correctly.
So we're just waiting on the test. We're about 1 minute and 30 seconds into the test, and we will soon see the
You'll think of me later when you take
color change. And we're again testing for IgG and M, and soon we'll see that.
And it does turn fairly quickly. Like yesterday, I want to say within 30 seconds, the test changed.
Okay, what do you see? Go ahead and look at it now.
Yep. See, the blue line will change to red.
So we're 2 minutes into it. It takes a couple of minutes to do.
That must be the buffer going.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what happens when you put the buffer in the well. You'll notice this gets wet and then it starts traveling up. You see how it turned red? That means the test was completed
All
correctly.
right, so there we are. Why don't you go ahead and explain what you did, Christy?
Okay, we did a little finger prick with a lancet and collected, I guess, 1 droplet of blood, put it in the sample well. After that was completed, you take 2 drops of the buffer agent and put it in this buffer agent well. Once that is soaked up, and the buffer agent brings the blood and everything up here and changes all the reactions.
All right, and now what's our result? The results are now
It
validated.
is negative. You didn't have COVID, and you currently do not have
So
COVID.
you have the red line showing the test is completed, and we have the M and G with no reaction. So there you go, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and we've done the test. We'll put the paperwork and go from there. Now this should be repeated as necessary for exposure or for surgery or indication for job interviews or job requirements. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Paul Azar with COVID Testing America or USA. Thank you.